Alright traders, hello, afternoon. It's the 25th of April 2020. I'm just going to do a quick little trade recap. Look, I didn't really take anything much this week. I was pound yen long and Kiwi yen long at the start of the week on Monday morning actually, and it was more of a technical trade. That was done, well, the pound yen was done later in the day. Hit the stop, and the Kiwi yen I kept overnight, and that actually moved in my favor. And I probably really should have moved the stop to break even, and I didn't. And I gave it a little bit too much breathing room, probably 10 pips more than I should have, because it moved more than 1R. I think I was risking about 40 pips. It moved 50 pips. I kept the stop at break even, then it came down and actually took me out. So other than that, I was talking about this last week on Sunday when I put out that watch list video on the Aussie dollar, and this candle here was a little strange, and you know, it was a bit unclear to risk sentiment. So when I see the price action, if it looks good, you know, I'll take it. But it was sort of looking like it was turning over Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday it sort of did this. And I was thinking about shorting it, but it didn't work out enough. And then this candle printed, and again that was unclear. And then the Friday candle, it sort of looks like, you know what, this could continue to run as well. So it's going to keep going as well. I subscribe to too many YouTube channels with the notifications on, that's why that's doing that. A lot of different channels. We'll go to the euro. It's just going to keep going. How many channels do I have? I don't watch the Chevy dude. Why am I subscribed to that guy? Forex must not too bad. Problems I can't. Oh no, I can. It's not the euro. This won't be a watch list video. It's going to be more of a recap. So I haven't been able to drop as many videos as I would like to this week. It's been a little bit busy. Euro USL, that sort of looks like a buy trade to me. Even though we have this resistance overhead. If you have a look, stop loss. Well, let's see where the stop loss would be pips wise. We have this down here. Go down. Yeah, I try to do it with one hand, it's not working. So 90 odd pips, so around 100 pips. That level is, you know, not super significant up. Let's bring up to weekly. You know what? It's not like super significant, honestly. I mean, it's there's been a few times where it's hit and come back down, but yeah, I'm gonna sort of say that was a pretty key level there. Down at the low there is 107.78. So I'll keep this short. I just sort of want to talk about risk sentiment as well. The equity markets look like they weakened a little bit. How did the pound yen actually finish for the week? Let's see how the pound yen. I'm curious now. Okay, so it was on Monday that I got in, and it would have been. It didn't. Normally it's marked up. I'm in the daily chart up. Normally I mark the charts up. Yeah, okay, I see. So it is. Yeah. That was the trade. That was long. It was on this. I like to look at this, and then it moved. It's not really ideal, is it? Zoom out. Yeah. Okay, so it's below. It's weird. There it is. Okay, we'll just keep it with that. So did I try to play the breakout? Yeah, no, it's not great. So this actually looks like it might be a sell trade now as well. Just touching base on that, the S&Ps. Okay, so it actually ended pretty strong. So I'd be looking to take the Aussie dollar long potentially next week. And gold is moving higher, and it's held up pretty well. So yeah, the Aussie, I don't mind the Aussie for a long here. And next week. And again, I don't want to keep these videos too long, guys. I'll just touch base on the euro pound, which actually found a little strength. This could be a long opportunity as well. And on the daily. Okay. sort of come through, retest. This is more of a zone, so it's not an exact point. So around 87, mid or so is where it closed, 87.46. Right, so Euro Pound is potentially long, and Aussie Dollar potentially long. That's what I want to look at. USD CAD oil has actually strengthened a little bit as well, and it's continued. So we'll see what happens this weekend. If there's any announcements on oil production, but that will be something to definitely monitor. USD yen. A bit of a risk sentiment gauge, so very uneventful with the yen. So it's just a sit and wait thing to see probably how the US markets fare once some profit announcements come out, or lack of profit announcements come out in US companies. Alright, so Euro Pound potentially long, Aussie Dollar potentially long as well. It's sort of broken out of this range as well. I'll just do a little rectangle. Bit of creaky throw actually. Recent highs. That was the low. So yeah, I definitely consider this as a potential long. Alright guys, that is the video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now. Watch list coming out tomorrow. This is sort of more of a rush thing because I combined what I did earlier in the week with how things close, and I'll scan the chart some more, and if I see anything different, I will update the watch list video. But I'd probably make another video tomorrow as well for you guys, about the same time as well.